the 4 ways to use could. Let's get started. All right, 4 ways to use could in English. Let's begin. Quick review to start. Could is a modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verbs in English are helper verbs. They modify other verbs to produce different effects, different meanings. Could has 4 main uses or effects in English. In this video, we will discuss could for abilities, possibilities, requests, and to ask for permission. All right, let's talk about abilities first. Could is the past tense of the modal auxiliary verb can. Use could to talk about general abilities in the past. We use could to talk about what someone was able to do in the past. The structure is could plus base form of the main verb. For example, when I was younger, I could easily stay up late and then wake up early the next day. This means I had this ability in the past. However, I don't have this ability anymore. Likely because I'm old and it's difficult for me to stay up late and then wake up early the next day. This will happen to you one day too, sadly. Okay, another example. After studying English for 1 year, she could read and write well enough to get a job using her English for the job. Okay, this means she acquired these abilities, or she got these abilities after 1 year of studying and practice. And as far as we know from the context, the situation, she still has these abilities now because she learned how to speak, how to read. She probably didn't lose this information. Another example. My grandfather could speak 3 languages. Okay, why didn't I say my grandfather can speak 3 languages? Because can shows ability, right? I can speak English. Well, there's 2 possible reasons why I used could for this example. Here, the use of could means that maybe he cannot speak 3 languages anymore for some reason. Maybe he's old, maybe he has mental problems, maybe he can't remember. There could be many reasons. Or maybe I am referring to him in the past using could because he is deceased. He's dead. So he can't speak 3 languages anymore because he's not here. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, let's talk about possibilities. Remember, could is the past tense of can. Use could have to talk about real possibilities in the past. The key here is real possibilities. Could have is used when it was possible in reality for someone to do something in the past, but they did not try to do it. They didn't do it. For example, question, where did you lose your wallet? Answer, I could have left it on the bus. Did you ask her on a date? I could have, but I chickened out at the last minute. Okay, chickened out. What does that mean? That is a slang term, a slang expression for meaning you didn't have the courage to do it. You wanted to do it, but you lacked the courage to do it. You were a coward. Yeah. So in these two examples, it was possible for you to ask her out, right? Nothing prevented you from doing this, but you didn't do it, right? Could have is also used to talk about unreal possibilities in the past. This is called the third conditional. Third conditionals talk about hypothetical past situations. These did not happen in the past, and they are unreal. They are not real and did not actually occur. Could expresses the possibility of a particular hypothetical, imaginary outcome. In a third conditional, the if clause uses if plus subject plus had plus past participle. And the main clause uses subject plus could have plus past participle. Let's look at this example again. Did you ask her on a date? I could have, but I chickened out at the last minute. Did he ask the girl to go on a date? No. In reality, did he get a date with the girl? Well, no, because he didn't ask her, right? He chickened out. So let's imagine a different past situation and result using the third conditional. For example, if he had asked her out, he could have gotten a date with her. But he didn't ask her out. So this is a hypothetical past possibility. It's not real. We are imagining this. If he had asked her out, he could have gotten a date with her. But sadly, he didn't, so no cigar. Okay, let's talk about requests. Could is not only used to talk about the past. Could is also used to make polite requests. Let's imagine you're at a restaurant. You sit down, you look at the menu, the waiter says, "Would you like something to drink?" Your waiter is polite. Your waiter uses would. And you say, "Yes, could I have a cup of coffee, please?" Very polite, very nice. So this is polite, and this is in the present time. It's not past when you are asking for a polite request. If I say, "Can I have a cup of coffee, please?" Is that correct? Yes, it is correct. It is informal, and it is also in the present time. So both are okay to use, but if you are in a formal situation or you want to be polite, I would use could. I think it's better. Okay, let's talk about permission. Could is also used to ask politely for permission to do something. Okay, let's imagine someone, person A, says, "My phone died. Could I please borrow yours?" Could plus borrow. Person B says, "Sure, here you go." Maybe they're friends. You probably wouldn't give a stranger your phone, especially if it's expensive. Okay, another example. The waiter says, "Here's your coffee. Do you need anything else?" And you say, "Yes, could I please use your washroom?" You are asking permission to use the washroom. You are asking permission to borrow someone's phone and use it. Can is used to grant permission to someone. Grant means give. So the customer says, "Could I please use your washroom?" This is asking for permission. And the waiter says, "Yes, you can. It's right over there." So can gives permission. Could asks for permission. Okay? If I say, "Yes, you could, it's right over there," now could means past, and it's very strange and awkward. So don't use could to give permission. Okay, guys, hopefully that helped you learn the 4 ways that we use could. Let me know your questions and comments down in the comment section and your ideas for future videos. And hey, since you've made it this far, like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I hope to see you in a future video. Bye for now.